12 Asian foods that naturally promote weight loss. Losing weight doesn't always require strict diets or expensive supplements. In fact, many traditional Asian foods naturally help burn fat, boost metabolism, and control appetite. These foods are not only healthy but also delicious and easy to include in your daily meals. Here are 12 Asian foods that promote natural weight loss and support overall wellness. 1. Green tea. A popular drink in Japan and China, green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins that boost metabolism and help the body burn fat faster. 2. Kimchi. This spicy Korean fermented cabbage is packed with probiotics that improve digestion and gut health, which are key to healthy weight loss. 3. Mung beans. Often used in soups and salads, mung beans are full of protein and fiber that keep you feeling full longer and help control hunger. 4. Seaweed. Seaweed is low in calories but rich in iodine, which helps support your thyroid and regulate metabolism. 5. Turmeric. A common spice in Indian cooking, turmeric contains curcumin, which reduces inflammation and helps the body burn fat more efficiently. 6. Bitter melon. This vegetable may taste bitter, but it's great for balancing blood sugar levels and reducing sugar cravings. 7. Brown rice. Unlike white rice, brown rice is full of fiber and nutrients. It keeps you full for longer and helps prevent overeating. 8. Ginger. Ginger boosts metabolism and aids digestion. Drinking ginger tea can also help reduce bloating and support fat loss. 9. Edamame. These young soybeans are a protein-rich, low-calorie snack that keeps you satisfied between meals. 10. Oolong tea. This traditional Chinese tea helps burn body fat and improve metabolism, making it a natural weight loss drink. 11. Papaya. Papaya is rich in fiber and enzymes that aid digestion, helping your body absorb nutrients and reduce bloating. 12. Tofu. Made from soybeans, tofu is a great source of plant-based protein that helps maintain muscle while losing fat. These 12 Asian foods show that healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated. From teas and vegetables to fermented foods, each offers unique benefits that help manage weight naturally. Add a few of these to your daily meals to enjoy flavorful, nutritious, and effective Asian weight loss foods that truly support your journey to a healthier you. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.